like skinny?
So tell me if you want me to, yeah.
This waist trainer, honey.
So if you guys been following me for a long time, you guys know I'm always wearing a waist trainer, and you know that it never matches anything I wear, and it's a struggle to put on. So I invested in a new waist trainer because you know my vacation is in 2 more months and I need this waist to be snatched. So the company that I went through is called Look She's Pretty, and it comes in this large Ziploc bag. It's so fancy. So let's see it. It comes in another Ziploc bag. You guys know I love packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging. This is it. Oh, it's good material. I can tell. I can tell already. You're supposed to be able to wear it all day, and you can work out in it. So I got size extra large because I didn't know how the sizing works with this. So it says that you can work out all day, you can wear it all day, and you guys know I'm always wearing my waist trainer, so my body is used to it. So I am about to put this to the test. Let's go. Can we put it on?
It seems simple.
Okay. I'm just a little thicker.
What size do you recommend for people to get? One size smaller?
No, this is perfect. This fit.
This is a large.
This was perfect to put on compared to my last waist trainer. You guys see me good? I did pull up. That was simple. I'm about to try it out all day. I'm even try to do a little workout. Let's see how it really is. So follow me. It's like so tight, guys. It's sucking me in, and that's what you want. You want your waist trainers to really suck you in. And yo, this summer is about to be lit. I'm just telling you. So this waist trainer, guys, I think they might be onto something because it sucks me in. None of my backpack is hanging out, and I can work out in it. It's done. Still. You can get yours at Look She's Pretty.
So it will be in your description box, or?
Of course, everything will be in the description box. You can check it out. You can order yours. And yeah, they have multicolors. They have all the colors you want. I chose black because, you know, it fits in with me. And yeah, guys, yo, this summer is about to be lit. That's all I'm going to say.